Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to increase Gmail undo send delay to 30 seconds. So just log into your Gmail dashboard layout on your desktop browser, move your cursor to the absolute upper right corner of the interface and click on Settings. Inside the Quick Settings side pane, click the button labeled See All Settings here in the top. And make sure your workspace is positioned cleanly inside the default General tab deck panel. Okay, and then just scroll just a few rows into the general settings list until you locate the parameter a block titled undo send. Okay, so this is our magical setting. As you can see, it's actually the third setting from the top. So next to undo send, as you can see, send cancellation period set to 5 seconds. Increase it to 30, which is the maximum. Alright, and now as you can see, we don't have any button to set. Oh, we actually do, sorry about that. So save the changes. After that, your Gmail will reload, and now it's successfully expanded from 5 to 30 seconds. So that's pretty much it, guys. Only a few clicks. Enjoy your comfort now in Gmail. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.